Here we have a lavazza espresso point. This unit was functioning properly, but the power board and the button strip stopped working and it wasn't able to recognize what function you wanted. So we had to replace the entire power board and button strip that connects from here all the way to the side to the back of the machine. But as you can see now, it's functioning. Let's let the pump prime to run some steam. And there's your steam. Steam function. This one. We would normally run a shot, but this is a pod machine, as you can see, and we don't have any pods for this unit, so we're unable to run a shot. But as you can see, yeah, this unit's working. It's functioning properly. Button strip's working. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this every day. Thanks.